The TTROARDS TT19 Foldable 4K drone boasts a high-definition camera with a 90-degree motorized adjustment, capturing stunning aerial footage that is perfect for landscapes and family moments. Equipped with a 270-degree obstacle avoidance sensor, this drone offers a safer flying experience, making it ideal for beginners both indoors and outdoors. The eye-catching UV-printed design ensures vibrant colors that resist fading and scratching, enhancing the drone's durability and making it a standout gift for children. With advanced optical flow positioning and altitude hold features, the drone provides precise hovering and steady shots, simplifying control for those new to aerial photography. Thanks to its powerful brushless motors and level 3 wind resistance, the drone delivers a stable and quieter flying experience even in outdoor conditions. The TT19 drone offers versatile control options, including remote control and app functionalities, as well as features like gravity sensing and trajectory flight for diverse usage.